Welcome everybody to Curzon Hall.
You're beautiful, you shine like a star.
Welcome ladies and gentlemen to Curzon Hall. Dito po sa Sydney, Australia. Ang ganda ng wedding venue na to. Grabe, sobrang bongga. Tingnan mo. Castle ang peg. We're going back in time, back to medieval ages para sa wedding na to. This is a great place to get married. Sige, ladies and gentlemen, pasok na tayo sa castle na to. Wala pang tao, sobrang tahimik. This venue is just gorgeous. Grabe. At nakabihis na ako. Kailangan talaga makapurma ka dito kasi sosyal. Diba ang ganda dito? Tugong bughaw ang peg natin. Maraming ibon dito sa Australia, no? Ang ganda. You're on YouTube now! Alright, we got our entourage ready to go. Yeah! Hoy, mamaya maglaro tayo ng singles games, ha? So, isumbong niyo yung mga single niyo na kaibigan, ha? Yeah? Alright? Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the wedding of Ranjie and Faith. How are you all doing tonight? Alright, I love that. This is a celebration, ladies and gentlemen. When I introduce our entourage later on in the evening, I want you to be as loud as you can, okay? As soon as they come in the doors. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Wayne Woolley. I'm 100% Australian. I've been living in the Philippines for the past 5 years, so tonight I'll be speaking a bit of English and Tagalog para maintindihan natin lahat. Walang magnalos dito, okay? Alright, awesome. Ladies and gents, you might recognize me from YouTube, from Facebook. I do videos with my beautiful wife, Shanta. I've also been on TV in the Philippines on a number of programs such as Sipulaga, You're My Foreign Way, and Since I Found You with Piolo Pascual. Kapuso ba kayo o kapamilya? Ano? Kapuso? Ayan. Sino kapamilya dito? Taas kamay. Ayan, kunti lang. Okay, tayo ang kapamilya dito. Our hashtag tonight is Ranjie Keeps His Faith. Okay? Ranjie Keeps His Faith. First of all, a big round of applause for Joshua and AC! Are you ready? Your dance is Kiki. Kiki, do you love me? Alright, you ready? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, next up we have Wilfred and Winley. A big round of applause for Wilfred and Winley!
Okay, so everyone look at this camera.
Kasal! Pero sayaw muna! Party-party muna! Lodi Petalo! Yeah! Kilala ka nila, Shanta, oh. Kilala, mga fans mo. Bye-bye! Ayan! Bye guys! Mga Duanta fam natin yan!
You're a photographer.
No, I'm YouTube vlogger.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling.
It's Duanta fam shoutout time, ladies and gentlemen, dito sa Australia. Alright, una sa lahat, i-shoutout ko po si Jean Albino na may foreigner na boyfriend. Happy anniversary sa inyong dalawa. Next up po, we have Arlene B. Legaspino. Happy birthday po sa October 21. Happy birthday. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, we have John Paul Espino. Gusto ko lang i-shoutout si John Paul. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Abangan niyo po ang susunod ng video namin na kung saan kasama na ko ulit si Shanta. Alright, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Free.